Yeah. Okay, well, there's so much groundwater right now that I'm gonna have to pump some of it out before I can get underneath right over there where I saw water gushing from earlier. So for tonight, I'm gonna set this pump up. Geez, I'm thinking about taking that bucket out of there just for tonight. Yeah. And that way it can get farther down in there, because I didn't dig the hole deep enough, as deep as it should be for this setting. I mean, this setup here. So I gotta go way over that way. I shoved the PVC pipe all the way through so I could grab onto the other end of this discharge hose. So I'll tie it to this hook right here. I'll tie it to that hook right there, and then go outside and pull it through the crawl space hole on the back of the house. Okay. So anyway, this is the 19th of June, and I'm working on it. I'll be back.